I'm going to show you how to solve Leetcode question 47 permutations to given a collection of numbers nums that might contain duplicates. Return all possible unique permutations in any order. So we have already solved a permutation 1 question and from my channel, and this is a question that is super similar to permutation 1, and the only difference is that this time it tells you that this might contain duplicates, so return all possible permutations in any order. So this example, you can see there's 2 ones, right? So you can do 1, 1, 2 and 1, 1, 2 because they're duplicates, because they're the same. So in this number combo, you can only do 1, 1, 2 and 1, 2, 1 and 2, 1, 1 in this case. And if you take excuse me, if you take a look at the second example here, that they give you number 1, 2, 3. This one is no duplicates, so you get 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 2, 1. So there are some constraints here, and the companies asked this question, Amazon, Microsoft, a few times last 6 months. If you know how to solve the permutation question, then this one, you only need to add one more thing on top of the permutation 1 question. You just need to handle some code how to handle the duplicate situation. One thing we can solve this question using depth search, and we don't have to pop back up, and we can just, how we handle the duplicates is that first we're gonna sort a number, because when we have the numbers sorted, then we can add the condition check, say if this one is equals to, if the current number is equals to the previous number, right? We're not going to do anything. We're not going to continue the depth search. We're just going to pop out. Otherwise, we're going to continue the depth search. And how do we continue the depth search is that when we do the depth search, we want to make sure that the first one is returning the, say the first one is 1, 1, 1, and then we want to do continue the depth search on the next combination, like 1, 2, and then we want to move to 2, 1, and then add the last number into the final combination, right? And then I think you will know better when I show you how to do this in code. So I'm just gonna assign a result first, and then I'm gonna, like I mentioned, I'm gonna sort this nums first, because once I sort it, it will be easier for me to condition check if there's a duplicates. And I'm gonna use depth search in this case. So when I do depth search, is I'm gonna pass 2 parameters. One is the nums, the other one is the path. And the path is basically whatever I get, and the nums are the combo that I get. I basically, from this number, I'm gonna move on to the next number, and then so on and so forth. So if not nums, this is the base condition when I want to terminate it. When I do the nums, the depth search on nums, if I say this is 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, right? When I get to the degree that there's no 1 there, and then there's no 1 here, there's no 1, 2, basically nums does not exist anymore, then I already got the combo. At that time, I can append the result, and I'm just gonna do a copy of the path and append to the final result. And then next step, I'm just gonna do the depth search for I in range length of nums. This is the same as the permutation 1, and now I'm gonna do a condition check if I is bigger than 0, and because I need to minus 1 in this case, you will see. So basically, if nums I equals to nums I minus 1. So if this equals to I minus 1, in this case, what I'm going to do, I'm not going to continue the depth first search. I'm going to say continue. Otherwise, I'm going to run depth first search on its neighbor because I want to do it recursively. How do I do this is in Python, if you slicing this into, not really slicing, but if you do nums I plus nums from I plus 1, if you do something like this, this is the next combo that we're looking for. Because if you think about it, for nums 0, if I equals to 0 in this case, the output we will get is 2 and 3, right? If I equals to 1, we will get 1 and 3 in this case. And then for I equals 2 in this case, and then I will get nums until 2, that's 1. And then I plus 1, that's 3. And then 3, I'll get 2, right? That's basically how I continue the depth first search on its neighbor, and I get different combinations. And after that, I'm going to say the path is every time the path is the original path added on to the nums I, basically, every time. So this is the main part of the function. And then I'm going to call the depth first search function. I'm going to say pass the nums as nums, and then the path starting from 0. And then I'm going to say return the final result. Yep. If you think this video is helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon with more Leetcode question. All right, bye-bye.